And now, 41 NBC's Business Spotlight. In the spotlight today, Bennett Financial.
Welcome back. I'm William Bennett of Bennett Financial. Thank you for joining us today in the Business Spotlight. As we've discussed with you, we've been spending the last year reading the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017. As you can see, over 600 pages of new tax laws and changes that are going to be effective for 2018. But the good news is today, what we're going to talk about, the American Opportunity Tax Credit, was not affected by this law. The American Opportunity Tax Credit is a credit available up to $2,500 for eligible students that are pursuing a post-secondary education. And so that can be you, your spouse, or any of your children that are currently in college. They might be eligible for the American Opportunity Tax Credit. It's up to $2,500. Now, to be an eligible student, you've got to meet 3 criteria. You got to be enrolled at least half-time in your course of studies. You got to be enrolled at least 1 academic period a year. And you got to be pursuing a degree program. Now, what we need for you to bring in to us when you're getting the American Opportunity Tax Credit, you feel like you're eligible for it, you're going to get a Form 1098-T from that educational institution. And we need that as your tax preparer because that's going to substantiate how much you spent in tuition and fees for the year, and then we can determine how much your tax credit is going to be available for. Now, eligible expenses of the American Opportunity Tax Credit include tuition fees, and any supplies that are required for that course, and again, up to a maximum of $4,000 of expenses makes you eligible for the tax credit. Thank you for joining us this week in the Business Spotlight. We look forward to seeing you on future segments, and if you have any questions about the information that we've given today, please give us a call at the office.